Dear students, hope you are great. Today we are going to continue Chapter 5, Lesson 6, Temperature. We take today absolute zero. So, is it possible to slow particles of matter so much that they stop moving? Any matter, whatever solid, liquid, or gas, the particles in it are continuously moving. Look here, the particles inside the ice is moving but in their possession. So scientists calculate how cold it would have to be for particles motion to stop completely. So scientists measure this temperature, and that temperature is known as absolute zero. So absolute zero is the temperature at which the particles in the ice that stop moving. So when a scientist measure this temperature in Celsius, it will find that it's minus 273.15. So minus 273.15 is the temperature at which the particles in the ice stop moving, or the particle motion stop. This temperature called absolute zero. So scientists calculate how cold it would have to be for particles motion to stop move completely. This temperature is known as absolute zero. When the scientists measure it in Celsius, it will find that it's minus 273.15. So minus 273.15 is the temperature at which the particle motion stop. There is another temperature scale. We have another scale to measure the temperature called Kelvin scale. So used when talking about absolute zero, called Kelvin scale. Look here, we have three scale: Fahrenheit, that used in USA, Celsius, and Kelvin. So when I talking about absolute zero, I talk about scale Kelvin. Zero on the Kelvin scale is absolute zero. So zero, when the temperature reach 0 Kelvin, it's equal to absolute zero, while in Celsius scale equal minus 273 Celsius, and in Fahrenheit is minus 459 Fahrenheit. So minus 459 Fahrenheit is equal to absolute zero. So, and also Celsius minus 273 Celsius is equal absolute zero. Kelvin, when the temperature reach 0 Kelvin, it's equal to absolute zero. Zero on the Kelvin scale is absolute zero. So 0 in Kelvin equal to absolute zero, while in Celsius minus 273 Celsius equal absolute zero, and Fahrenheit minus 459 Fahrenheit equal absolute zero. Absolute zero has never been reached. It's very difficult to reach to absolute zero, or to 0 Kelvin, or minus 273 Celsius, or minus 459 Fahrenheit. However, scientists have been able to use a laser to obtain temperature very closely to absolute zero. So scientists use a laser to stop the motion of particles inside the solid inside the ice to reach absolute zero, or 0 Kelvin, or minus 273 Celsius, or minus 459 Fahrenheit. That's it. Thanks for watching.